Got you 99 Impala LT, black on black, flex fuel, aluminum wheels, leather interior, V6, automatic, fold-in roof for low clearance applications. Let us know, we'll get you on the road today. Rip the pole right up out of the ground. She really did fold in hard, didn't she? Not so much headroom. Bunch of glass. She hit that pole that I showed earlier in the video. Ripped the wheel right off her. Crease right down the center. Driver's point of view. The ceiling is literally right there. Scraped up all this side. She was a clean car. Now she's a pile of scrap metal. Because ain't nobody gonna put this car back on the road. Yeah. If you like the video, subscribe, give it a like.